out on our family vacation, I do have to make sure my baby girl is taken care of. And although I do have someone watching her, I really don't want them to have to worry about the litter box, because if you guys know, all my cat owners, y'all should know the litter box is probably the worst part about our fur babies. And it's one of those things that if you don't do daily, it's going to build up that nasty odor. So I wanted to make sure that was taken care of before I headed out of town. So I finally decided to upgrade to the Pet Kit automatic litter box, and it has honestly made leaving home so much easier on me. It has a full built-in smart camera, so even while I'm away, I can check in on her through the app and see what she's doing. It also can even recognize other cats, so if you do have more than one, it tracks their bathroom habits, which helps you to notice any unusual changes that could be a sign of something being wrong. And one thing I really love about Pet Kit is the safety features. So it's designed with an incomplete gear system, meaning that there's always going to be an opening during operation, which helps prevent your cat from getting trapped inside of it. But of course, the biggest game changer is the odor control. Pet Kit has an odor eliminator inside of the litter box. Also another one in the waste bin, so that helps a ton. And then on top of that, it does have a sealed waste bin cover, so that way it keeps that smell contained. There's a really large waste bin, so it also means whoever is watching my cat does not necessarily have to worry about cleaning it every single day, maybe once or twice. One of my absolute favorite features has been the smart camera through the Pet Kit app. I love being able to check on mamas while I'm away, or even actually see what she's doing throughout the day. The app also has some really helpful health monitoring features like the yowling detection feature. If your cat vocalizes while using the litter box, it could be a sign of discomfort or possibly urinary issues. So this feature helps owners to keep an eye out for anything unusual. The camera can also capture images during your cleaning process, which helps you to monitor your cat's bathroom habits and make sure everything looks normal. Another thing that gave me a peace of mind was the safety design. And right here you can actually see how the anti-pitch works. I've seen way too many videos of automatic litter boxes injuring cats, so I can't really fully rely on those sensors alone for safety. However, this one having a design that makes it to where the litter box does not fully close makes me feel a lot more reassured whenever Mama's is using that litter box while I'm away. The Pet Kit Purobot Max Pro 2 has 12 sensors that immediately stop whenever my cat is approaching, and trust me, I've had my own experiences with these sensors as well. Make sure you do not put your litter catching mat underneath it, because that will disrupt the sensors. But I will say it does not fully rely on those sensors alone. It combines them with that incomplete gear system, so that way the litter box does not fully close. Meaning, the biggest point, even when I'm not home, I never have to worry about her safety, because I know it's not going to close on her and I know it's not going to harm her in any way. Overall, I would say having the Pet Kit Purobot Max Pro 2 has made leaving for trips so much less stressful, because I know my cat is comfortable, safe, and I can still stay connected to her from wherever I am. I genuinely think my favorite feature is being able to check on her though, because it's the cutest thing and it literally gives her like a fisheye effect. So when she gets really close to the camera, it's so funny. I have more information to the Pet Kit litter box down below in my description box. If any of my fur mamas and daddies want to take a look at that, I definitely think it's worth the investment. And personally, I've only had to deep clean it once since I've had it, and I've had it for the last month. I think it's really up to your disclosure whether or not you want to clean it more frequently than that, but you definitely do not have to clean it as frequently as a regular litter box. So that's a plus. And now that I know my little girl is going to be taken care of while I'm gone, I can go on my vacation worry-free, stress-free, and know that she's in good hands. Hello you guys! Me and my family are down at the Frio River this week for a little start to the summer family vacation before Everly gets here. If you guys don't know, my sister is pregnant, so this is our last little like family hoorah before baby girl gets here. And I've actually never been to this river before, so I'm really excited. It actually looks super cool. We're staying at Neil's Lodge, but right now we are here. We have made it. I put my bikini on, which is from Target, by the way. Also, I got these such cute little pants. I don't know if y'all can really see them, but they're from Five Below, literally $5. This is kind of what it's looking like behind me. That's our cabin, and then over there in the far way yonder is my uncle's RV. So we have the whole fam bam here. It's my uncle. I'm pretty sure my uncle's wife's family's here too, but I'm not really sure. I haven't seen anybody. I immediately wanted to get in the shower as soon as I got here, because me and stinking do not go together, okay? If someone could ask me what my biggest fear is, it would be stinking. I had to shower and prepare myself, but I'm so excited for this week, you guys. Like, I will say I'm sad because I forgot my GoPro, and we're literally gonna be in the water 80% of the time, but I got my new Osmo Pocket, so I'm really excited to be filming on this. It's been so much fun, and I just know the quality is going to sound and look amazing, so I cannot wait to like edit this video together. But yeah, it's literally so pretty. Like, it to the river. I want to open this, but I literally can't. Come this way, Mom. Follow me. We're at the Frio River, and I've already almost busted my, well, actually I did bust my ass, but it almost was really, really bad. I thought I ruined all my cameras, but we're good now. Sunny! We gotta say hi.
Hi.
Guys, we're back at the campsite now. We are just chilling, hanging out. Obviously, Ellie's loving the camera. We're making hot dogs and we're just chilling. We got Sunny here. What do you gotta say? What's my name?
Jojo.
What?
Jojo.
Jojo. Good morning, you guys. It is like 8 in the morning. We are currently on a walk. I just really wanted to get up, kind of soak in some nature. The birds here are so beautiful to listen to, and last night there was fireflies. It's definitely so nice being in the wilderness. My grandma and Eli in the back. Easton was riding on his bike with us a little bit ago, but I think he's decided that he's done. Just wanted to get up and kind of get some steps in for the day. We're gonna be swimming probably for majority of the time we're even here. Look at my dad. Do not hit me. And then Ellie. You're so cute, dude. What are you doing?
Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Not for me though. I feel like peanut butter and jelly, I mean, they're good, but for like a Lake River day, like no, right? No. I feel like it would make me sick. It's like drinking milk in the summer. You wouldn't really do that. But everybody wanted peanut butter and jellies. We just made it to, I think it's called Conrad's, something, I don't know, but it's the liquor store, okay? Because these drinks that my grandma got me and my mom, they're so freaking gross. So we're trying to get something else. Do I have my ID? No, but you're my mother. I personally like high noons or like,
Oh, they're over there.
seltzers. I mean, like what Mimi has too, though. I like those. Or I actually really like twisted teas. That's my thing. Let's go. Good morning. All right, we're back in day one's outfit because I really hardly even wore it. Actually, on day one, we went down to the river and then we came right back for like maybe an hour. I wanted to show y'all my little get ready with me because honestly, I haven't been doing much, but this is what I've been doing every day. So starting off, we have this little sunscreen. Honestly, so amazing, especially when you're not wearing makeup and you're going out and swimming and stuff. It just gives you that little touch. And we have some lip treatment. Also, last night yesterday, I lost 3 nails. So I'm looking a little ratchet. I can't even see my face, y'all. It's so bright. Well, good morning, sunshine. My aunt's finally awake, y'all. Who does not sound appealing right now? I honestly think I might only put sunscreen on my face today because how come everybody else got burnt yesterday but me? Make it make sense. They were gonna do a little bit of lip balm. So our lips are chapped, y'all. Last night, Joe Jimmy's was actually so much fun. Everybody was so drunk besides me. And I did drink a lot yesterday, but I just was not drunk. But my mom, my dad, my aunt, my uncle, y'all, my grandma, everybody was fucked up but me. Yeah, we did karaoke last night. It was awful. God awful. Oh my God, I kept laughing the whole time. But my uncle signed me up without me really knowing, and I had to do it. I had to do it. We're finally out on the river. Easton's currently trying to see if he can catch a fish. I think they actually gave him a hook today. How many fish do you think you're gonna catch today?
20.
Look how pretty, you guys. Like, I'm actually in so much awe. I'm really hoping today I get a tan actually, because I'm struggling in the apartment. This is his first cast over here. Oh, good job. Let's go see what's over here. The first day I wore my flip-flops out here, that was a miserably bad idea. And I honestly really don't know what I was thinking, because usually I would have brought my like chacos. Look, you can really see the river flow over here. Oh my God, there better not be a fucking spider on me. Oh my God, someone's playing Yellow. And they were all yellow. Yeah, oh yeah, your skin and bone turns to something beautiful. Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Beginner's luck, right?
Thank you. Think it'd be more beneficial to go like this? Oh, that was awful. Don't be throwing rocks at me. Wow, I'm bad at this, Easton. You can have it back.
Oh my God.
Are you scared or something?
No, so hook.
I'm not gonna hook you. I'm scared of you. Oh my gosh. Did you catch anything? I honestly have no clue where we left off, you guys. It's now Wednesday. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They should honestly be back at any point now. I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, because I'm tired of being alone now. But today I decided to kind of like stay back because I just was so tired. Yesterday I got a really mean sunburn, and you can't really tell too much. My legs are a lot worse. I just am in so much pain. I had to use like the burn spray too. I'm finally like up and ready. I slept so much today. Like, I woke up at around 9 o'clock, and then everybody was getting ready. We had breakfast, all that. I was awake, and then when we were getting ready to like head out to go to the river, I laid down on the couch and I was just like, nah. Today I need to rest. So that's exactly what I did. I'm in this freaking one piece that is way too freaking small for me. But the outfit that I was supposed to wear tonight, because we're going to this like pizza place, my pasties that I brought, I forgot to bring a bra, first of all. I forgot. I brought some pasties, but when I put them on, they don't like stay on unless I have like a shirt that's holding them on. Whereas the shirt that I'm wearing, it's like a flowy top. So it like, I would need my pasties to actually be sticky, if that makes sense. Anyways. I really wanted to freaking wear this bumper, but it's so tight. I can barely breathe. My coochie feels like she's getting like scissored. Where are my contacts? My mom said that they were gonna head back at 3:30 and it's 4 o'clock. So I'm like, where are y'all? I also had a really wicked dream when I was taking my extra nap. I think I'm gonna just take this off and I'm gonna change into like a black shirt and some shorts. I definitely cannot wear this freaking one piece, but we're gonna put on a little headband. She's cute. All right, let me change real quick because this is so uncomfortable. I'm ready. We're supposed to be going to a pizza place tonight that has tap margaritas, so I'm so excited about that. I just had to clean up a mountain of dog piss, even though I already let the dogs out. So I'm irritated about that, but I'm just ready for everybody to get back now. It is very peaceful out here, though, I will say. You can like hear the wind. It's just nice. Every day is a winding ride. Get a little bit closer.
The sweet smell of perfume.
They're back.
Faintest of moonlight.
Oh, I'm waiting on my family.
Peeking through the blinds.
Ends of the earth,
I'll follow you where the rising meets the sunrise.
We're at Hippie Chick's River Shack right now, and we're here to get pizza. This over here is so cute. OMG, the little swing. This is so cute in here, y'all.